All right, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be doing bachata again, and we'll be doing the forward and back basic. Let's get started.
I'm going to do the leader's footwork to the forward and backward basic. So with my left foot going forward first, I'm going to go forward on the left, forward on the right, forward on the left. And I'm going to leave my right foot where it is. I'm just going to tap here with my feet apart. And then I'll replace into my right foot and go back on the right, back on the left, back on the right, and then tap my left foot again, free to go forward. If I do it from the other side, I will go forward left, forward left, tap, back, 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 tap. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, this is the follower's footwork. We're gonna start with that right foot. We step to the back on the right, back on the left, back on the right, leave the foot and tap on the left. Using the left foot, go forward left, forward right, forward left, leaving the right foot back and tap. If you see the hip lift, don't worry about it, we'll talk about it later. So we go back, 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 tap, forward, 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 tap. With the timing, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Forward and back basic with counts. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the key points for this forward and back basic. So we're gonna take the same hold as we had before, and I will just walk forward as she goes backwards. We'll tap with the free foot, and then I'll walk back as she comes forward. If I were to go from a side basic, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'd send my body forward and I'd start walking towards her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These basics are nice and easy. It's just about keeping a consistent frame and moving forward and backwards confidently.
Yep, again with the tapping, so you might have seen us leave the foot wherever it ended up and then just tap on that foot. That's so you don't step on the wrong foot if you collected the feet instead of switching. So you do have many options to do the tap. You'll see people do collect the feet, which might be more comfortable for you, and that's totally perfectly okay. If he was a leader and he was leaving like that, he would step on me if I tried to close the feet, so I just have to be a good follower and go with the flow there, but just know that there's many options for you on that. And we'll talk about that maybe in another technique or styling video. Thank you so much for watching our bachata video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so we know, and comment down below what you want to see next, because we're always open to hearing what you guys want to do. Also, if you want more bachata, be sure to come back here, but also go to our website, ballroomfeed.com, and check out our Ballroom Feed Pro section, where I'll have a bunch more content for you and just so much more in depth and never gonna end. And yeah, so come back again, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.